Scotland's biggest iron brew factory. Oh, a bit like going for a Waz on the Death Star. Oh, it sounds ridiculous. Not sponsored by Kellogg's, not my genitals. Hello and welcome back to the channel of Stupid Nonsense. This is part 2 of me going to find what I think is my favourite driving road in the world, the old military road near the Spittal of Glenshee up here in the Scottish Highlands. So yesterday, part 1 was all about getting up here, experiencing some of the Lamborghinis I'm doing it in, such as the Huracan and the Aventador S. Now it is the big moment of heading to the old military road, and my God, I've got the best car for this. I think it's widely agreed that this is one of the best hardcore sports cars of 2021. Sorry, it's a bit windy. It's the Lamborghini Huracan STO, or Super Trofeo Omologato, which in Italian means it's a racing car for the road, and it's a bit terrifying. It's about 2 degrees. This is rear-wheel drive. This is going to be quite entertaining. I'm going to take you along for the drive and show you why I think it's one of the best roads in the world. Yay! Let's go. Right, I'm on the road in the Huracan STO heading to the old military road out of Braemar. Now, we stayed in the Fife Arms Hotel last night, and that was pretty special because it had a real Picasso on the wall that's worth 45 to 50 million quid. There was a signed photo of Queen Victoria. There was 1 million artworks, something like 12,000 artworks, because the whole hotel is owned by some Swiss art dealer. A bit mad, but anyway, I recommend it if you're staying in Braemar to check out the Fife Arms, and there's a pub there as well, so you don't have to stay at the Super Fancy Pants Hotel to have a look at it. But anyway, wow, this is already impressing me. I've got ice on my windscreen. It is the end of November, and we're going up into the Scottish Highlands to basically a ski resort, and hopefully there's no snow, because this is rear-wheel drive and very, very track-focused and racy. Yeah. I think this is going to be quite a special morning. It's only 8 AM, getting up early to beat what little traffic there would be anyway. So yeah, I first did this road that I'm heading to. The whole point of this video, I've only done it once in my life, and that was on a Honda Africa Twin, which is a motorbike. I did North Coast 500, that big loop around the top of Scotland a couple of years ago, and we ended up coming back down the old military road, and it blew my mind. I'd heard good things about this road from the likes of Henry Catchpole in his Evo days. He said it was one of his favourite roads, and he's right. You can see for miles. Not only is it beautiful, it's also really well sighted, and it's got an interesting mix of corners, undulations, elevation changes. Yeah, I'm very excited about this, and what a car to be doing it in. Basically a carbon, well, it's not carbon chassis, but 75% carbon fibre body panel and interior, race prepped Lamborghini Huracan, and it is noisy. Bloody hell. Yeah, I need to have my wits about me, because this is rear wheel drive and I've got ice warnings everywhere on my dashboard. Need to get some heat into those tyres as well. Right, part of showing you my favourite road in the world, I wanted to get some drone footage. So Lamborghini's laid on a kind of local drone flying team. So I'm just going to go up and down this bit of the old military road. I've basically got it to myself. I'm not in a convoy, I'm just in an STO on my own with this road. It doesn't get much better than this. I'm actually feeling weirdly emotional. It is so beautiful. This is such the perfect car for it. I just wish there was there goes the drone. I just wish it was a bit warmer, because it's going to be skiddy. We good? Let's go. All right.
Sadly, my GoPro continued to be as reliable as a politician's toilet brush and died at this point in the trip, so my excited monologue about the old military road has been consigned to the digital dustbin, so I'm going to talk about it a bit in voiceover. I'm under my duvet, sorry about this. Otherwise known as the A93, the old military road between Braemar and Blairgowrie was built in 1725 and actually goes on for about 30 miles, hugging the valley floor and rising to a peak at the Glenshee ski resort, where it was snowing. Great, and Lamborghinis on summer tyres. The guy that built it, and many other military roads in Scotland, was called Marshal Wade, who's actually named in the British national anthem, so I'm kind of surprised the Scots haven't dug the road up. But catch it at the right time of day and it's driving nirvana, a mix of flowing corners with sightlines as long as the list of people in Scotland who want to kill me now, and some tighter bends to really test your traction. The STO was marvellous, as you might expect. The brakes had incredible feel, which was handy when the tyres were colder than Richard Hammond's gin fridge, and the chassis just speaks to you through your hands and your bum. It's amazing what Lamborghini has done with the STO. I really fell in love with it. I've done a full review on it, so click up there to see it as part of my Huracan comparison. Anyway, let's get back to me crying a bit.
Right, that brings to an end my journey to the greatest driving road I know, the old military road up here in Scotland. And as I said at the start of the part one, that might be the end of my journey doing this YouTube channel. Because of COVID, because of losing my job, I might keep going, I might be able to do it, but I've got to put food on the table for my kids and everything. So thank you ever so much for watching all the nonsense I've been doing over the past year and a half. It's meant so much to me. And hopefully this is a good way to go out. Anyway, I'm not crying, you're crying. Goodbye. What a thing. What a thing. What a road.